essentially, your boy got a maid service. Y'all might call me Quilly for this. Y'all might say this and that. But at the end of the day, you're buying time with this. So, okay, let's do a quick look out, okay? So first, we got the bathroom here, okay? And you can kind of see how it's kind of messy. Got some gunkington. Look at the toilet bowl. Toilet bowl kind of nasty with it. Okay, you got dust everywhere. We got the crevices. Super gross. Hold on. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Nasty with it. Water stains, I meant. Sorry, I say things too much. And check it. It's kind of dirty, huh? Pretty dirty. I ain't gonna lie, chat. That's our restroom. Let's check here, okay? So chat, we locked in on some maid services and they're gonna do the kitchen first. And right now I'm just showing y'all the before. This is the before. Not too sure how they're gonna clean this stuff up, but they're gonna be cleaning, chat. Look at that. Nasty, huh? Check it. Toilet. Kind of mid. They kind of cleaned it a little bit. Stains on the wall. Yeah, it just gets super dusty and dirty. Look at that. It's like stained right there. Lots of watermarks here. Chat, check it. Mo. Like y'all can't smell it, but holy, walking in here, it's like, god damn. Look, mo, chat. Like, huh? That's all good though. Look at this. God damn. Yeah, chat, I'm really excited. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but chat, check it. It's super dirty. I ain't gonna lie. I think the cleanest I've seen this bathroom was when it got remodeled. And that's quite a long time, chat. Look at this vent. Nasty with it. Nasty with it. The doors. I don't know if they do the doors, but look, I'm just going to attention to details, chat. That's who I am. And chat, listen. Spider webs. Hell of them up there. I don't know if they're gonna get it. Don't forget the lights. Chat. The lights is hella dusty. That's that. Let's do the downstairs restroom now. Just a little before and after, you know, just to keep a mental note. Yeah, this ain't cheap, chat. This ain't cheap. But at the end of the day, it is cheap. You know why? Because no one likes to clean, chat. And I found someone who does. So they do it for a living, chat. It's their job. But check it. Okay. Crevices look kind of mid. Kind of mid. Messy. Okay, you guys see that? Check it. Check that sink bowl. Look at these gunk around the rim. Nasty, huh? I don't know. Do they see that? Chat, I noticed those little things. I don't know. That's just me. Maybe it's because I'm a cleaner myself. Moving on to the toilet. Check it. Pretty gross, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Check it. Oh my god, look at that. Check down here. Low-key mold back here. I don't know if how well they do, but like deep clean. They said deep clean, chat. I mean, I would imagine the crevices and But yeah, that's about it for this room. Okay, chat. Say hi to YouTube, chat. What's up, YouTube? What it do, though? Alright. And low-key, I didn't show this, but light switches, too, they get dirty. I ain't gonna lie. So, let's see how deep clean they do it. Moving on to the kitchen. They said the kitchen. Focus on the kitchen. Focus on the bathroom. That's the main priority. Countertops. Okay, I don't know when these got wiped. I think they recently got wiped. I told my mom and sister, I was like, hey, I got them made. They're like, wait. They're like, cancel it. Save your money. Chat. Deep cleaning. We're going to get deep clean. Look at this. Will they do this? I don't know. I really don't know, chat. There's certain things that's like, wait, how do you clean it if my mom likes to leave a bunch everywhere? So I'm really interested in how they handle this because chat, this is a goddamn mission, chat. Holy. Look at that switch onto the stove. Yo. They call this clean? No shot that's clean, chat. Look, they cleaned. Oh, they cleaned all right. But yeah, we got professionals coming in, chat. Look at this. Can we even see it with the lights? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Look, it's dripping. It's dripping. I don't even want to get my phone like, because it's not. I can't remove it. If something. Look at that. But yeah, chat. This is the before. Look at those cabinets too. Oh my god. I don't know how they're gonna do it, chat. I don't know how they're gonna do it. There's soup in here. Oil in that pot. Don't even want to talk about that. Rice pot that we just bought. It was like off the edge. Look at this microwave. Somewhat. Check it. Let's see what they do. Kind of excited. Okay. But I really hope their cleaning isn't just like, you know, how my family said it's cleaned. Oh, I cleaned this. Really? You did? You cleaned this? Look, random gunk everywhere. Just open packets. Oh, what's this on the floor? The wok. Ketchup packet on the floor. Look at the floors, chat. Mud. Sticky. Not the good kind. So chat, I really want to see them lock in on this. Oh, look at the blinds though. How are they going to get the blinds? I really don't know, chat. This is going to take a while. I wouldn't be surprised if they took them 2 hours just for this. 2 hours. So, I know I didn't give them much time. But it's like, I really hope they can do it, you know? Should we go behind the trash can? Watch this. What the I guess we can't aim into the trash can. But yeah, chat, I'm going to figure something out. I think this needs to be higher. Because if a trash can is too low, they don't like to bend their back. And then hopefully their shot would land when it's higher, you know? That's the thing. That's I'm going to fix that. And so, that's about that. Check it. Why is there a orange on the ground? Don't know. I really don't know. So that's why, chat, I'm sick of them. I'm sick of them. I can't do this every week. I mean, I can. But it's like, chat, I got other shit to attend to. You gotta outsource. I don't care. Chat, look, they say they take the trash out too. We gotta load it up for them. So I don't know. I don't know. What is deep clean? What is deep clean? My crib is actually going crazy too right now. That's that, chat. They're coming in at 9:15. Wait, huh? They're here already? Hold on. I really hope they lock in, chat. I really hope they lock in on it. Chat, I feel like I want to get them water, though. Just get it ready for them, like in the fridge. I ain't gonna lie. I need to be a W host. Chat, should I tip them? They get $170 an hour, bro. Depending on their work, we're gonna check it out. Let me show y'all around the block. Alright, real quick. This is the restroom now. Okay, check it. Wow. Check it. Oh my god. This is all the after. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. This is the after, chat. Chat. This is the after. Yo. Yo. They popped off, chat. Check it. Details. Oh my goodness. Yo, I'm just so thankful. Chat, let me tell you, I was literally just doing work and like they're putting in work too. And it's a crazy ass feeling. Chat, hold on. Pause. Yo, low-key, they did the door too. What the heck? They did the door, chat. Chat, it's a new ass bathroom. On my mom's, chat. And the wall. Okay, maybe not that part. Maybe not that part. But chat, look, they did the lights. They did the lights. Oh my god. Look it. Yo. Chat, are we gonna subscribe? Are we subscribing? Hey, yo. Yo. Some poo-poo stain? It's fine though. Nasty ass tweezers that they found. Check it. Oh my god. Oh my lord, jeez. Holy. Deep in that deep. Oh my god, chat. Chat, hold on. Check it. Check it. The details. Oh my. my. Chat, for the amount of like times I said oh my, it's like, that's how much I paid for these. Oh my god, chat. It doesn't smell like mold in here anymore. Like, wow. Chat. This is crazy. God damn, chat, look. Are y'all seeing this? Are y'all seeing this? Look at the floor. Oh my goodness. Chat, hold on. That's fire. Holy chatness. Okay, let's go downstairs. Check it. Hey, yo. It doesn't smell like towels in here anymore, chat. Look at that. Chat, look at the difference. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Chat, the lights too? Oh my god, chat, they popped off with it. Look at that. Yo.
Yeah.
Toilet? Chat, where is it? The crust is gone. Oh my god. Check it. Oh my lord. Yo. They popped out with it. They popped out with it. Check it. Oh my god, I can eat off of this, chat. Not really, but like, damn. Okay, this didn't really get much work on the wall, but other than that though, yo, that was worth it, chat. But yeah, Quad Gang, let me know, drop it in the comments. Do y'all clean up your own house or outsource it like me? You feel what I'm saying? Let me know. Do you think I should do part 2 with it? Subscribe with them? Quad Gang, out with it. Tight shit, chat. W outro or what? Holy. Oh my god, I can't get over it. I'm just like so shooketh. Chat, that's money well spent. I don't care. 3 hours for that? It's clean. And they took out the trash? Yo. I've never seen anyone in this house take trash out. Oh my days. This is an early Mother's Day gift. I don't care, chat. Wait, when did this toothbrush even... But whose toothbrush is that? On my days, I'd hire them again next month. This is actually the best day of my life. Oh my god, chat, did I even show the kitchen? Chat, back to the video. Holy shit, I didn't even show the kitchen. Chat, check it. Check the kitchen. Oh my god. Oh my god, look, that spider, just like spiders that just comes out because it's like not used to the cleanliness. But look, they literally trashed like some nasty that was here. Holy. I don't even know how they did it, but they did it. This looks way cleaner with all the junk she has. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. Chat, I'm crying. I'm crying on the inside. Yo. What the flip? What the y'all seen this, right? Y'all seen this? Oh my god. Oh my god, chat. Oh my god, this is a perfect rice spot. Oh my god, even they know. Chat, even they know and they don't even have rice cooker like that. But my mom puts it off the edge and tilts it. I don't even. Chat, the microwave. Hold on. Oh my, chat, they're coming back. Oh my god, chat, they're coming back. I don't care. Oh my god, there was a chicken thing in here and they cleaned it too?
Ate it?
Look at this toaster. Yo, they just left it out here for us. They're like, we're buffoons and look at it. Oh my god, look at this one. Holy. But chat, hold on. Look at the fridge. Chat, the fridge is glowing. No shot. Oh my god, chat, I actually want to come down here now. Wait, chat, look at this spot. Yes, sir, that spot. Yes, sir. I don't know why we have this, but they respected some of my mom's stuff. They respected all of her stuff, even though she has a whole lot of it. But chat, look, the orange is still on the floor. They respected it. At the end of the day, it's still hella clean. Look, chat, I tipped them. Don't worry, chat. I tipped them. I tipped them. I tipped them. I tipped them. Don't worry about it. Chat, I tipped them. You already know I tipped them. You already know I tipped them. Each individually. You already know. You already know, chat. Oh my god, now that's fucking cleaning, chat. Holy shit. They're certified. All my mama, they're certified. All my days. It's up to my mom to like really just get a good look at what clean is. And it's like, it's possible. Chat, anything is possible. Like, just look at our kitchen. Go back, rewind the video, look at the before, come back to the after, hit that like button in, smash that subscribe button in if you aren't already following the Quad channel. I stream every fucking day on kick.com/Quazy. Pull up on me, see what's up. Cheers, my friend. We did good today.